Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about my Google Pixel 4 XL, which I got on launch day. I got it at the beginning of the week. I had to have it mailed to me. It was mailed over the weekend, and now I have it. This is the box for the Pixel 4 XL. Pretty standard phone box, nice thick cardboard. It's a phone box. So, not a whole lot comes inside of it. You get the little case for the box, you get the little key thing for the card, and you get a supercharging block and charging cord, and then some manuals. Don't get headphones. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I'm gonna guess it is, but obviously you don't really need headphones anymore, because with the Pixel 4, no audio jack. No audio jack whatsoever. Obviously, a lot of people have had that. There's no audio jack down there. Obviously, most people have had that with like the iPhones and everything, but I am coming from the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, so I still had an audio jack. So I got it in just black, which is their gloss black color. It also comes in matte white and coral color. There's no fingerprint thumb scanner. I am used to using a thumb scanner on the back. The S8 had it placed right back here, right in the middle where the camera was. They got rid of that. It's not even on the front. So they're kind of going away from the fingerprint scanner. It just has Face ID and key code. So you can either do you do a nice little swipe up here and you can punch in your little code, or it is face activated, which is, it actually goes really fast. I can show you guys that again. It works really well. At the beginning I had a little bit of hesitation with it, but it seems to be working well. I've heard that it works even with your eyes closed, so it's more on face recognition, not so much like eye retina recognition. It has gestures, which are really nice, where like if the phone is laying flat and you get something, so for example, if it's on just a black screen, you can put a hand in front of it and it kind of lights up a little bit. For Spotify, it does have kind of like a song swipe, where if you just kind of swipe above the phone, you can swipe through your songs. Those are kind of like just cool things that like might not be used all the time, just kind of cool, kind of like an S Pen kind of setup, but without the S Pen. With me getting the just black, I get the nice white button, little menu button here. You get the nice white menu button. Volume is right below that. You can't really see it because it is matte black with the edge of the phone here. And then I got the privacy screen on here, just Amazon, couple bucks, tempered glass privacy screen, along with my just kind of phone sleeve here with the kind of Amazon $5 case. You know what I mean? All the good things. So put that back in here. Some quick specs on the Pixel 4 XL. Remember, this is the XL 128 gigabyte, so that's what I'm gonna be talking about here. 6.3 inch display, 90 hertz at up to 90 hertz at 3040 by 1440 display. That's where you get kind of like the nice smooth display here. So I can show you guys that real quick. It is just a very quick to kind of scroll. It looks really smooth. That's the up to 90 hertz kind of setup. Processor, Snapdragon 855. Memory, internal RAM memory is 6 gigs. Storage, like I said, mine is the 128. Could be up to this, or you could get to 64. Battery life is 3,700 milliamp hour. Pretty standard there. Audio is stereo, and those are kind of just like the basic specs. I'm not going to go into that too much, just because like I like tech, but I don't go into like the super hard details. If you guys would like me to, let me know, and I can make more detailed videos if that's something you want to see. All in all, I've had the phone for about a week now. I like it a lot. Obviously, I'm making a big jump from the S8 Plus from Samsung. But I like it. One thing that is a little different, well, there are a lot of things that are different. The S8 kind of has like a curved, kind of curved screen. This does not. This is kind of very quote unquote blocky, but I really like the way it feels. I really like the way it looks. You get kind of like the square camera on the back. One thing I did not touch on, you get the square camera. but you get 2 lenses. You get a standard lens, which the camera is really good. I'm gonna pop some photos up on the screen right now of some of the photos I took of a setup I did with this phone. The portrait mode works really well. There definitely were some times, and if I have one, I believe I do, I'll put that on the screen as well, where it doesn't really do its job to get that bokeh kind of depth of field effect. But all in all, it works really well. Standard camera works really well, video works really well. So one thing that kind of drew me to the Pixel 4 from the Samsung was just trying something different. I've had an iPhone in the past. I had the iPhone 4 back when that was a thing. And not that I hated it, it just you know, wasn't my thing. That's all I gotta say there. I do like what Apple has for products. I do edit on an Apple computer at work, but I just like Samsung. You know, Android, I should say. I like Android kind of setup. That's just what I like. What kind of drew me to the Pixel 4 was the camera setup. You know, when the first Pixel came out, it was camera, Pixel 2, 3, camera. So I wanted to try out the Pixel 4 for the camera and just try something different. Now, when I got this phone at the same time, Lauren got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So maybe I do a comparison soon, maybe. I mean, there's quite a few of them out there, but maybe I just do my 2 cents on it. But this has 2 cameras set up here in the square. It has a regular, and then it has a telephoto lens. So iPhone kind of has their wide. They were really known for the wide lens. This has a telephoto. It does have one front camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 16 megapixel with a 12.2 megapixel rear camera. With the screen, the 6.3 inch 90 hertz, you do get the QHD, so it's like super nice. You know, I definitely did not have that on the Samsung, and I am enjoying it on the Pixel. When it comes to the cameras, I really like what it does, like I said, and I'll show you some examples on the screen now. But being someone with camera, lights, gear, it's nice to have a nice camera, but it's not the end of the world for me if I don't have, quote unquote, the best camera phone on the market. This is obviously a really good one. But anytime I go somewhere where I'm gonna need a camera, I'm gonna have a big camera, you know, with me. So that's, you know, take that as you will. That's all I got for my video on the Pixel 4 XL. Maybe I'll do kind of like an update video on how I'm liking it, you know, a couple months down the road. Never really been into the phone market, so to say, on videos or specs or anything like that. I keep an eye on it. I watch the videos on it. I just thought, you know, it'd be nice to kind of try it out, see what this kind of video would do. So if you guys liked it, give it a like. If you're new or not subscribed, subscribe. Tell me what you like if you want to see a more detailed view on the phone, on camera gear, on anything like that. I'm going to be making a video on some other gear that I've gotten, and it's just more talking about the base key features and what I like about it, what I don't like about them, and yeah. So hope you guys liked it. Like I said, like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're not. Stick around for more gear-related videos coming soon. And just basic vlogs. You know, I have a couple vlogs in the works right now with kind of like my setup here. You know, other things that Lauren and I have been doing, and all the things, really. Just anything video creation is what I'm working on here. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.